Welcome, everyone, to the Jurassic Biomedical Record. Today, we're opening the file on a true apex predator, a creature that defined the terror of the late Jurassic, the Allosaurus. Forget what you think you know. We're diving deep into the biology and behavior of this magnificent beast. Let's start with the basics. Allosaurus, meaning different lizard, was a large theropod dinosaur that lived about 155 to 150 million years ago, standing up to 30 feet long and weighing around 2 tons. It was a formidable presence in the Morrison Formation of North America. Its massive skull was its most distinctive feature, not just for its size, but for the pair of bony crests or horns just above and in front of its eyes. These weren't just for show. They likely served as display structures, perhaps for species recognition or attracting mates. The skull itself was a marvel of engineering. Large openings, called fenestrae, reduced its weight without sacrificing strength, allowing it to house powerful jaw muscles. And those jaws were filled with dozens of sharp, serrated, recurved teeth, constantly being replaced to ensure they were always raised. Moving down the body, Allosaurus had a powerful, S-shaped neck supporting its head, leading to a robust torso balanced by a long, muscular tail. Its forelimbs were surprisingly strong, though short, each ending in 3 large, sharp claws. These weren't flimsy arms. They were weapons, perfect for grasping and tearing at prey. Its hind legs were long and powerful, built for both walking long distances and for short bursts of speed when chasing down a meal. Its entire anatomy screams predator. Now, how did this animal live? Allosaurus was the top carnivore of its time. Its environment was a semi-arid landscape with distinct wet and dry seasons, dotted with river floodplains and forests of conifers and ferns. This was a world teeming with life. And for Allosaurus, that meant a world teeming with potential food. Its prey included a wide variety of dinosaurs, from the smaller ornithopods, like Camptosaurus, to the colossal sauropods like the fossils show bite marks matching Allosaurus teeth on the bones of many of these animals, including the armored Stegosaurus. Was Allosaurus a solitary hunter, or did it hunt in packs? The evidence says tantalizing but inconclusive. Finding multiple Allosaurus skeletons together at fossil sites could suggest group behavior, perhaps congregating around the water source during a drought or mobbing a large sauropod. However, it could also represent a predator trap, where one struggling animal attracted multiple carnivores who then became trapped themselves. Imagine a pack of Allosaurus, a coordinated unit of muscle and teeth, working together to bring down a sauropod 10 times their size. It's a terrifying and awe-inspiring thought. They were likely opportunistic, hunting alone when possible, but perhaps forming temporary alliances to tackle larger, more dangerous prey. Let's tell a story from the fossil record. Picture a young Allosaurus. We'll call him Al. It's the dry season. The air is thick with dust, and the riverbeds are shrinking. Al is hungry. He's not yet large enough to challenge a healthy adult Stegosaurus, but his senses are sharp. He picks up the scent of something struggling. Following the smell, he finds a juvenile Diplodocus, mired in the thick mud of a drying-out pond. It's a classic predator trap. The young sauropod is exhausted, an easy meal. But as Al approaches, he's not alone. An older, larger Allosaurus emerges from the trees, its eye crests prominent, a clear signal of dominance. A tense standoff ensues. A guttural growl rumbles from the larger animal's chest. Al, knowing he's outmatched, backs away. This time, the prize belongs to the veteran. This scenario is written in the bones. We find a story of competition, opportunity, and the brutal reality of Jurassic life. How fast and strong was this predator? Allosaurus wasn't built for a marathon, but it was capable of impressive bursts of speed. Biomechanical studies suggest a top speed of around 20 to 34 miles per hour, fast enough to ambush and overwhelm most of its prey. Its real strength, however, lay in its ambush tactics and its unique method of attack. Unlike Tyrannosaurus rex with its bone-crushing bite, Allosaurus had a relatively weaker bite force for its size, but it didn't need to crush bones. Its skull was incredibly strong against vertical stress. This leads us to its most likely hunting strategy, the hatchet bite. Imagine an Allosaurus rushing its prey, opening its jaws wide up to 90 degrees and striking downwards with its upper jaw using the power of its strong neck muscles. The serrated teeth would slice through flesh like a saw, creating deep, bleeding wounds. It wouldn't kill the prey instantly, but would cause massive blood loss and shock, weakening the animal until it collapsed. Allosaurus would then use its hands to hold the carcass steady while it tore off chunks of meat with its powerful jaws. It was a specialist in causing catastrophic damage with quick, powerful strikes. This method was particularly effective against giant sauropods. A single Allosaurus couldn't bring one down with one bite, but multiple slash-and-drone attacks from a pack could bleed the giant dry. So, what was Allosaurus's role in the Jurassic ecosystem? It was the keystone predator. As the most common large carnivore of its time, it played a crucial role in controlling herbivore populations. By preying on the young, old, and weak, it ensured the health of the herds, preventing overgrazing and maintaining the delicate balance of the entire food web. From the mighty sauropods to the mid-sized ornithopods, Allosaurus was the pressure that shaped their driving them to become larger, faster, or better armored. It was the undisputed king of its domain. In review, Allosaurus was a masterclass in predatory ability. Its lightweight yet strong skull, serrated teeth, powerful limbs, and specialized hatchet bite made it a highly efficient and adaptable hunter. Whether as a solitary stalker of smaller prey or a pack member tackling giants, it dominated the late Jurassic landscape. It wasn't just a monster, it was a vital part of a complex and dynamic ecosystem, a testament to the incredible power and sophistication of life millions of years ago. The story of Allosaurus reminds us that the world of the dinosaurs was every bit as intricate and fascinating as our own. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the Jurassic Biomedical Record. If you found this exploration of Allosaurus fascinating, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next file. Until next time, stay curious.